In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete your Binance account. You can simply deactivate your Binance account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Binance. On this page, tap on your profile icon right here. Then scroll down onto the security option right here. On this page, you will have to select the last option of Manage Account. To delete your Binance account, all your transaction history and data will get permanently erased. Just tap right here on Delete Account to proceed. You can just choose to disable your Binance account. When your account is disabled, it can easily be activated again. That's how easy it is to permanently delete your Binance account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.